Today I'll be making tamago sando. This Japanese egg sandwich is soft, creamy, and so filling. It's easy to make with just a handful of ingredients and simple steps. Perfect for a quick breakfast or lunch. Hi everyone, welcome back to Chef J Cooks. Place the eggs in a saucepan. Add enough water to cover them and bring to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat. Boil 2 eggs for 7 minutes for soft boiled, and the rest for 10 minutes for hard boiled. Transfer them to a bowl of cold water, let them cool, then peel. Mash the hard-boiled eggs in a bowl with a masher or fork. Add mayonnaise, yogurt, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Then mix well. Adjust the mayo to your preference. Add more for extra creaminess or use less for a lighter feel. Spread mustard on the bread. Add a layer of egg salad. Place a soft-boiled egg in the center and cover it with more egg salad. Place another slice of bread on top and gently press down. If your sandwich won't stay closed, wrap it in plastic wrap and let it sit for 5 minutes before slicing. Slice the sandwich in half. Garnish with parsley and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this hearty tamago sando. Do you love tofu but feel like you're always making the same dishes? Or maybe you're not sure how to cook it so it tastes really good. I made a tofu recipe ebook packed with delicious Japanese-style tofu dishes that are super easy to make. This ebook has 14 tasty tofu recipes from crispy fried tofu to comforting miso ramen. Each recipe comes with a step-by-step video, so you can cook along with me. I also included tofu cooking tips, side dish pairing ideas, and a meal planner with a shopping list, so you don't have a stress about what to make. If you love tofu and Japanese food, want to eat more plant-based meals, or just need new tofu ideas, this is for you. You can grab your copy at shop.chefjcooks.com or click the link in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.